Today's show, I'm going to show you guys how you can use the Trendilo indicator and alpha trend to trade, to swing trade Bitcoin or any cryptocurrency out there. This indicator is a free tool on TradingView. You can get it. I'm going to show you guys how to get it on this live stream. So if say this is your first time here, you want to go subscribe or like this content, because yeah, I create content that will help you, make money in the crypto space. Those who are always here with me, you guys are awesome. It's always good to have you on board. Now, guys, the alpha trend indicator is an indicator that helps you to identify what kind of trend the market is. Either the market is in an uptrend or in a downtrend, and both trend is indicated by a buy or sell signal. Of course, when the market is in an uptrend, you're going to see a buy signal, and when the market is in a downtrend, you're going to see a sell signal. And the Trendilo indicator is just like the RSI, but to me, I think this is more effective. It gives you the signal when the market is oversold and when it's overbought. So I'm going to combine this indicator here today and show you guys on how you can use it to trade any coin, like any coin out there. So let's dive into it right now. This is Bitcoin on the daily time frame, guys. And one thing I've noticed about this indicator is that it's so effective on the daily time frame. You can use it to swing trade. I mean, swing trading Bitcoin. Like for example, let's say we are waiting for the BlackRock so-called news, and we know that Bitcoin is going to be bullish, right? And immediately you see that Bitcoin is in an uptrend on that daily time frame, and Bitcoin is respecting the trend. You want to look at, if say the candles are above the alpha trend, and also if say the Trendilo indicator is printing this green shadow here in like this in this box. So far as the Trendilo indicator is pretty that green and is above this middle line here, the middle line, the 0.0 line, then it's a bullish signal for me. But when you look at also the fact that the Trendilo indicator on the daily time frame has been showing weakness, you see, before the price was like it was showing oversold, and it came back down showing over, like not overbought, but it was just around the 0.0 that was 0.12 area. And after that we saw price move right upward, but it printed this divergence here. And when you see divergence like this, it means the trend is getting weaker and weaker and weaker. And now we are in a critical zone. If the Trendilo indicator break this line on the daily time frame and start trading below the 0.01, that is below around minus 0.1, then you want to get out from Bitcoin. But we're going to look at many other conference here, like many other signal signs for us to get out. That's why I want to combine the two, like alpha trend with the Trendilo. And if I zoom back with, you're going to see that on Bitcoin, the Trendilo indicator like has been really doing so well with Bitcoin. Let me go first on the weekly time frame so we can see how powerful this indicator is. You can see on the weekly time frame, let's say you are someone who is a swing trader and you bought Bitcoin, let's say for example, yeah, right? Or you saw Bitcoin trading and you like, okay, I'm a realistic person. I want to wait until I see another buy signal. You would have waited for like 4 years, right, to do this. But when you go to the daily time frame, you're gonna see that, okay, Bitcoin was showing this trend, or like it was showing this trend back. I think that was which month? That was around the price was merely going down. Okay, this is the period. The price was barely going down. You can see here this was the period of the that was April 2022, when the price was really going down. That was from 46,000, but before then price was at 68,000. You can see how price started going down, ever since that time, going down, 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 and price keep going down, right? But at that point, the Trendilo indicator was printing like different buy and sell signal, right? Now, you can use this if say you're a long-term Bitcoiner or Bitcoin holder, right? You can use this to really accumulate more Bitcoin for yourself, right? Like you know that Bitcoin is here forever. Like not only Bitcoin. Let's say you are investing in other altcoin, and you believe that the altcoin is, it has a really good future. You can now see that, okay, if say you see a sell signal, you don't buy that asset. And if say you see a sell signal, you will see that the Trendilo indicator is going to print this green box at the top. Each time you see that sell signal, the Trendilo has indicator has already shown you that, okay, this has been in an overbought area, and now we might see a retracement back to the oversold area. So it printed that green, and now you see the sell. You could have sold or just keep or take out profit, right? Then you come again and buy whenever you see this buy signal, or when you see the indicator going down to that bottom area. Because whenever it goes to that bottom, we're going to see some sort of recovery. And guys, mind you, this is the daily time frame. Each candle you see here is a daily time frame, which means the movement on lower time frame is going to be huge. You can use this to get signal to trade, like to day trade, just you go to the lower time frame knowing that the trend will be more up because of this signal here. You can DCA that project from this indicator. Now you see that the Trendilo indicator didn't make its way to the upside, like to show to print oversold, overbought. It's keep trending below that below the 0.01 or below the 0.0 level, meaning it's still bearish, right? Bearish. And you see that price came back again to this level. You would have gotten this indicator again at that price point, right? And this is this was going to be a more buy area for you, because the sell signal, it wasn't even like showing any trend. It was in a sideward, the indicator was moving sideways, meaning that wasn't an area to buy, because you remember this indicator it's an indicator to follow the trend. And when the indicator is not in a trending market, it means it's in a ranging market. So you wouldn't have really paid attention like on this buy signal or on the sell signal. You would have known that this is gonna go down. It's not gonna go up anyway. For looking at that, because like you have to see it like break structure, and even if it hasn't broken structure, then no matter what signal you see here, you have to be aware that not like you cannot use only the indicator. You can also use some sort of like other ways to look at the market, to see that, okay, even though it has printed this buy here, it doesn't break any structure, right? And even though you would have bought, but you would have still been in a green, because you would have been DCAing like down, 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 or you would have taken out profit when you saw this other sell signal here. Now after this sell signal, you see that price came right down again, and before price printed a buy signal. But you would have been, DCAing in this zone, like going down, because the Trendilo indicator was showing oversold, oversold. And after that, we saw this, buy signal, and the buy signal was printed when the Trendilo indicator, started going above that 0.100 zone. And after that, we saw this sell signal, guys. Like when you see the indicator in a raging market like this, you can use that as an opportunity to DCA, right? Buys, you say, when you see buy, you just DCA. You see buy, you buy, and you see buy, you just keep buying. You can, if you see sell, you can just take out profit, or just stay in the market, because you are someone who is buying for the long term, right? So when you see the sell, you don't pay more attention to it, because you're focusing mostly on the on the like accumulation zone, or you are swing trading until maybe Bitcoin is gonna go to the next all-time high. Now the juicy part is here. Remember, when we are when we are in an uptrend, you don't pay attention more to the sell signal, and when we are in a downtrend, you don't pay attention more to the buy signal, because um it's good. We are going down. We are buying not because you want to make profit. You are buying because you want to accumulate more. Of course, you want to make profit, but you know that if say the trend reverse, you're gonna keep making profit if the trend reverse. Now, when you see in the uptrend like this, you see that okay, from this buy here, you see that the Trendilo indicator was printing this, it was above this, showing the overbought area, and it was putting this green here. That was a signal to say that okay, because price is above this 0.0 price point on the Trendilo, it means that whatever sell signal you see above that area, you're not going to pay attention to it to like as if you're going to sell your Bitcoin or get out from the market. You know that it's going to be more of an upside. That's why you see this sell signal here didn't really do anything much. This is going to be for people who want to do short-term trading, like but immediately price came back to that range, we saw a buy signal, and the Trendilo was printing this oversold area, oversold area, yeah. And immediately after that, we saw price moving up, and guys, this has been in an uptrend ever since. And now, we can say that for you to actually look at Bitcoin, saying that okay, now I want to actually sell Bitcoin, you have to wait for this price. The trend price should start trading below the Trendilo, like 0.01 area, 0.0, sorry, minus 0.01 area. And so far as price is above the 0.0 zone, then we are still bullish as of now. But again, don't forget that there's a divergence here, meaning we can see Bitcoin really move downward towards this oversold area, oversold area. Yeah, so be careful as you trade other altcoins. That's why I think we are coming to the end of this trend here. The Trendilo is showing us signal that we are coming to an end of this massive move from here. It is a massive buy move from here. Ever since the alpha trend indicator hasn't printed any sell signal. And guys, how you get this indicator, go to your TradingView. If you see you don't have TradingView, it's very important. TradingView is one of the top indicator out there, not like platform that you can trade cryptocurrency. And if you see you don't have TradingView, you can use my link below this video. Go to my link tree. There you're gonna find my link to TradingView. But how to get it? Go to the indicator tab. Just search for alpha trend, alpha trend, and you're gonna see the alpha trend signal. Let's see. This is the alpha trend screener. This is the one you want to choose. The one with Kivan or Bligi. This is the one. The first one, you can mark a star there so that you can have it always to your favorite. And the next one is Trendilo. This Trendilo is free, open source. Just type Trendilo on the indicator section. You're gonna see Trendilo open source. This is the one you want to get. Trendilo open source. You can mark the star there as well to get it always when you want to insert it to your chart. Guys, all these indicators are free. It won't cost you anything. You don't have to change anything. Just get it to your chart, and that's it. You're free to go. You can swing trade any coin during this period, long term, using this alpha trend indicator, and you can do it mostly with on the daily time frame, just to DCA buy this coin, and you say okay, well, the next, if say you see trend change, if say you see the Trendilo, like you can see, if say you bought it here when it was still down there, and even though the Trendilo has come closer, you are still in profit. And even if the even when the Trendilo is gonna come like below this zone, always price will always gonna go to retest. So when you see price print a sell signal here, and you see something like this, if price break and close below you can see price haven't really closed below this indicator. So if you see price close below the alpha trend and print the sell signal, and price go to retest it, and price isn't able to break to print a buy signal, then you want to sell all your altcoin, or like sell everything into Bitcoin, or sell half to Bitcoin and the rest into USDT. This is what I use also on like mostly on the 4 hours time frame. If you want me to do a video on how I use this on the 4 hours time frame, you comment below that you want me to do a video about that. I will say that, guys, this is all for today. I'm not gonna do much. I just wanted you guys to see how you can use this indicator. If say this content was helpful to you and you want me to keep creating more of such content, then you wanna go right now and smash the subscribe button. If you're watching on Facebook, like and share my content with someone else out there. I will say that, guys. See you the next video. Bye bye.